America. Did you know we helped build this country? We were in business before the first telephone rang, before the first light bulb was switched on. And as American homes began relying on electricity every day, we were there designing and manufacturing the best tools, helping electricians and linemen get the job done right. Through both world wars, machinists, radio operators, and mechanics carried Klein Tools in their kits. And as America prospered after victory, we were there every step of the way, outfitting professional tradesmen with tools to help America keep growing strong. Today, Klein Tools continue to improve the American way of life in the hands and kits of countless talented electricians, working behind the scenes to power the iconic events and celebrations where we pour out our passion. When the countdown begins on New Year's Eve in New York City, when engines roar under the lights in Tennessee, on Friday nights at high school football games across Texas, and every time the bass drops at an outdoor music festival, America depends on electricity to power the passion in all of these moments. And every electrician depends on Klein Tools. Throughout 2017, we invite you to join us in exploring iconic events nationwide that are part of the American experience, as we showcase the always impressive and sometimes unusual work that Klein-equipped professional electricians perform to make it all happen. Klein Tools, powering America's passion.